Greetings, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tech and product reviews. Today, we're diving into a product that could potentially revolutionize your printing experience. It's the EPSON T522 EcoTank Ink Ultra High Capacity Bottle in black. Let's explore the world of ink savings and sustainability. First and foremost, let's talk about the incredible value this product offers. With the EPSON T522 EcoTank, you can get thousands of vivid pages of high-quality prints. That's right, thousands. It's all about getting more bang for your buck. One of the most impressive aspects of this EcoTank ink is the potential savings. You can save up to a whopping 80% compared to traditional ink cartridges. That means more money in your pocket for the things that matter. Now, here's a game changer: EcoFit ink bottles. These bottles are uniquely keyed for easy filling. No more messy spills or confusion. It's all about convenience and simplicity. This ink is designed to work seamlessly with a range of EPSON EcoTank printers. It's a versatile solution for your printing needs. Speaking of versatility, choosing an EcoTank printer can also make a positive impact on the environment. By using an EcoTank printer and these high-capacity bottles, you can help reduce the amount of cartridge waste that ends up in landfills. It's a step towards a greener, more sustainable future. Quality matters when it comes to ink, and that's where genuine EPSON ink shines. It's all about reliable performance and brilliant results. EPSON strongly recommends using genuine ink to ensure optimal print quality and performance. EPSON takes pride in ensuring that their inks, specialty papers, and printers are designed to work together seamlessly. This synergy consistently delivers excellent results, whether you're printing documents, photos, or creative projects. Let's put those savings into perspective. Imagine saving up to 90% on replacement ink compared to traditional cartridges. That's more money in your pocket for other essentials. In conclusion, the EPSON T522 EcoTank Ink Ultra High Capacity Bottle is not just about ink. It's about savings, convenience, and sustainability. It's a product that not only benefits you but also contributes to a cleaner, greener future. If you're looking to make the switch to a more cost-effective and eco-friendly printing solution, these ink bottles might just be your answer. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews, and ring that notification bell to stay updated with the latest tech and product innovations. This has been Product Critique, and we'll catch you in the next video.